All right, we got to fix this ignition issue. So I took this switch off the steering wheel. Here's the ignition switch. This sits on here like this or like this, and as the ignition turns, it pushes this in or out, and it touches different parts of this switch here. So I think it actually goes like this, and so once it goes up, the ignition, that's the starter, and then it comes back, and then that's the on position. This is probably the off position, and this is the lock position, you know, down here. Or, you know, maybe I got it backwards. So I was thinking this was bad, and I'll show you why, but I don't think it is bad. It's because currently, all right, there's no key in, right? Well, the key is in. There's no switch on there. I've taken the switch completely off. Yet the truck turns over if I connect this, and the starter will just run. So let me show you this. Okay, so that's a problem. The starter was running for at least a minute before I could, you know, disconnect this negative cable. So we got the starter solenoid here, which it looks pretty new. Someone replaced this, but you know, obviously I don't think this is working. So maybe it's stuck. I'm gonna tap it. See if this fixes it. Oh, there you go. That's the issue. So the solenoid is getting stuck on. That will kill a starter pretty quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase another new one of these. I don't know who purchased this, but it's probably a cheap aftermarket one. Let me get a new one, and we'll replace that. I picked up an AC Delco solenoid. Hopefully this is a better brand. It only cost me about 20-25 bucks. But let's go ahead and replace this one here. Hello. Hang on, the wife has arrived. All right, we're back. Let's see, got that loose. I love these new wrenches here. I just picked this up, Harbor Freight. You know, it is lifetime warranty for these though. But for 20 bucks, this new set to go along with my metric set. Let's see, no, not that way. You don't want to use them to, you know, break out a big force, right? But for twisting off, I think it's great. Very convenient for the mechanic who doesn't use them every day. A concrete piercing bolt was used in here. I mean, really, guys? Yeah, that's a good tight fit. This looks like copper. I want to use this. It looks like decent enough. I can reuse that. See the solder from on there. A little bit of extra protection. This is the starter cable. I know it's black. I feel like it should be red, but I know it goes to the starter. Let's clean this off real quick and put this back. Put that one on there. Why don't we put this copper washer on here too? Give it a little extra contact. And we'll tighten that down. It is. Okay, all we have left is this wire, and this wire. They all go straight to the battery. I'm going to put them on this pole here. Yeah, and one more just to get it up here. Okay, there you go. Only pretty solid. Wires out of the way. Okay, that one's going to be hot right there for the starter, just briefly. All right, let's test it out. All right, let's test this out. Okay, that's on there. We can get this started. Starter works at least. Oh yeah, it's carbureted. You gotta give it a little fuel. Come on. Oh, won't stay. Okay, time to work on the carb.